Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo. Somehow you need to protect your precious drone with all the accessories that comes with it. It's your lucky day. I have the solution for you. Total security. Hard shell exterior beats a soft back every single time. Heavy duty latches. They are secure enough to stay shut during a drop, but easy enough to open when you are in a rush to catch the light. It has metal hinges at the back for extra durability. Silicone rubber ring and IP67 waterproofing. Whether it's rain, dust or an accidental splash, your internal tech stays bone dry. Pressure equalization valve, perfect for high altitude travel or flights, so the case doesn't vacuum seal itself shut. Travel ready, rugged, stackable and built to handle the overheat bin or dusty trail. Custom foam cutouts, everything from the drone to the ND filters has a snug, wiggle room free home. Perfect organization, no more digging for batteries or cables, everything is visible and accessible. I really like the snug fit for the drone, batteries and controller, plus the solid outer protection that keeps everything safe during transport. If you are taking your drone anywhere further than your backyard, the answer is a massive yes. The Fly More combo comes with a lot of moving parts, 3 batteries, the charging hub and that beautiful RC2 controller. And this case keeps them all locked down in custom molded foam. It turns a bag of expensive electronics into a single indestructible tank. If you want, you can use 2 locks, one on the left and one on the right. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more drone accessories, gear reviews and flying tips. Thanks for watching, travel safe, protect your gear and I'll see you in the next one.